Welcome, incredible animal enthusiasts, to Wild Wonders, the show where we dive deep into the most astounding abilities of the animal kingdom. Today, we're not just walking, we're leaping into action. We're counting down the top 7 animals with the longest jumps in the entire world. Prepare to be amazed by feats of strength, agility, and pure biological engineering that put even our best Olympic long jumpers to shame. From the minuscule to the magnificent, these creatures redefine what it means to take a giant leap. So buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Before we unveil our champions, let's talk about what makes a jump long. We're not just talking about how high an animal can go, but the sheer horizontal distance they can cover in a single bound. It's a combination of powerful leg muscles, incredible spring-like tendons, and often clever techniques to maximize airtime. And trust me, the contenders on this list have mastered it all. All right, are you ready? Let's kick off our countdown with number 7. Coming in at number 7, we have the majestic and incredibly agile Impala. Found primarily in the savannas and woodlands of southern and eastern Africa, impalas are more than just beautiful antelopes. They are master escape artists. When threatened by predators like cheetahs, leopards, or wild dogs, their primary defense isn't just speed. It's an astonishing, almost artistic series of leaps. An impala can launch itself up to 3 meters or 10 feet high, but it's their horizontal reach that's truly impressive. A single leap can cover up to 10 meters, or a staggering 33 feet. Imagine jumping across more than 2 cars in a single bound. They often use these long jumps in a zigzag pattern, making it incredibly difficult for a chasing predator to predict their next move. This isn't just random hopping. It's a calculated, life-saving maneuver that allows them to clear obstacles, confuse their pursuers, and ultimately survive in a challenging environment. Their powerful hind legs and flexible spine are perfectly adapted for these explosive bursts of energy. Truly a marvel of natural selection. Leaping into our number 6 spot is a true powerhouse of the feline world, the elusive snow leopard. From the warm African plains, we ascend to the freezing, rugged mountains of Central and South Asia, the domain of the incredible snow leopard. These ghosts of the mountains are renowned for their stealth and agility, and their jumping ability is simply legendary. While they don't jump for sport, they jump for survival and for the hunt. A snow leopard can unleash a horizontal leap of an astonishing 15 meters, which is approximately 50 feet. To put that in perspective, that's like jumping over an entire 5-story building laid on its side. Their long, thick tails, which can be almost as long as their bodies, act as crucial counterbalances, allowing them to navigate treacherous rocky terrain with unparalleled precision, even during these monumental jumps. This phenomenal jumping power enables them to traverse vast, broken landscapes and ambush prey in areas where other predators wouldn't dare to tread. It's a testament to their adaptation to one of the harshest environments on Earth.
At number 5, we have an animal synonymous with jumping, a true icon of the outback, the mighty red kangaroo. No list of jumpers would be complete without the world's largest marsupial, the magnificent red kangaroo. These incredible creatures have evolved a unique and highly efficient method of locomotion: hopping. And when they hop, they really hop. A single bound from a red kangaroo can cover an incredible distance of up to 13.5 meters, or roughly 45 feet. That's longer than a standard school bus. While they can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, or 37 miles per hour with these bounds, the jumping isn't just for speed. Their powerful hind legs, equipped with massive tendons that act like giant springs, allow them to conserve energy. With each landing, the tendons store elastic energy, which is then released for the next jump, making this a remarkably efficient way to travel vast distances across the Australian plains. Their massive tail also plays a vital role, acting as a counterbalance and a prop when standing upright. It's a truly iconic and highly effective form of animal athleticism. Now let's shift our focus to something a little smaller but no less impressive. At number 4, we have a tiny desert dweller with a massive spring in its step, the kangaroo rat. Don't let the rat in its name fool you. The kangaroo rat is a true jumping marvel, especially when you consider its size. These small rodents, native to the arid and semi-arid regions of North America, weigh less than half a pound, yet they possess an extraordinary ability to leap. They can jump a whopping 45 times their own body length. Imagine if I, Dr. Aris, who stands about 5 feet 10 inches tall, could jump 45 times my height. That would be a jump of over 260 feet. For these little guys, such a jump is a vital survival mechanism, allowing them to evade predators like owls, snakes, and coyotes with sudden, unpredictable changes in direction. Their extra-long hind legs are packed with muscle, and they often use a bipedal hop, giving them the appearance of a mini kangaroo. It's a fantastic example of how smaller creatures can achieve incredible feats relative to their size, using every ounce of their specialized anatomy to thrive. Taking our bronze medal for longest jumps, we have an amphibian that defies expectations, the tree frog. When you think of frogs, you might picture them hopping in a pond, but tree frogs take jumping to an entirely new level. These arboreal acrobats, found in rainforests around the globe, are perfectly adapted for life high in the canopy. Their long, muscular hind legs are designed for explosive power, allowing them to traverse vast gaps between branches and leaves or to escape from predators. While the specific distances vary by species, some tree frogs can jump an astonishing 150 times their own body length. Think about that. If a tree frog is just 2 inches long, that's a jump of 25 feet. This incredible relative distance is achieved through a combination of powerful leg muscles, rapid energy release, and specialized toe pads that help them stick the landing, even on slick surfaces. Their jumps are not just long, they're precise, allowing them to navigate their complex, three-dimensional world with unparalleled agility. It's a breathtaking display of biomechanical efficiency. Our silver medalist for longest jumps is another tiny wonder, a master of disproportionate power, the froghopper.
You might be thinking, a froghopper? What even is that? Well, prepare to be astounded. The froghopper is a tiny insect, often less than a centimeter long, famous for producing cuckoo spit, or spittle, as nymphs. But as adults, they are absolutely phenomenal jumpers. While they are often cited for their incredible height, up to 70 times their body height, their horizontal jump is also remarkably long due to the immense force they generate. What makes them truly special is the acceleration they achieve. Over 4,000 meters per second squared. That's more than 400 Gs. For comparison, a fighter pilot might experience 9 Gs. They store elastic energy in a specialized catapult mechanism in their legs, releasing it almost instantaneously to propel themselves into the air. This explosive power allows them to launch themselves with such speed that it's difficult for predators to even register their departure. It's a true marvel of miniature engineering, showcasing how nature can pack immense power into the smallest packages. And now, for the undisputed champion, the king of the long jump, the absolute ruler of relative distance, the tiny but mighty Flea. Yes, you heard that right. Our #1 animal with the longest jump, especially when scaled to its size, is the humble, often annoying flea. These minuscule parasites, barely visible to the naked eye, are the absolute Olympic champions of the insect world when it comes to leaping. A flea, typically only 1.5 to 3 millimeters long, can jump an astonishing 220 times its own body length. Let's put that in perspective. If you were a flea and you could jump 220 times your height, you could leap over 2 skyscrapers back to back in a single bound. That's roughly a horizontal jump of 8 inches, which doesn't sound like much until you remember how tiny they are. This incredible feat is made possible by a protein called resilin in their legs, which acts like an incredibly efficient spring.
They slowly compress this spring, storing massive amounts of elastic energy, and then release it in an explosive burst, propelling themselves vast distances. This isn't just a party trick. It's essential for their survival, allowing them to quickly jump onto a host for a blood meal and then escape danger. The Flea truly demonstrates that sometimes the smallest packages hold the most extraordinary power.
And there you have it, folks. Our top 7 animals with the longest jumps. From the majestic Impala to the microscopic marvel that is the Flea, the animal kingdom is full of incredible athletes pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It just goes to show you that size truly doesn't matter when it comes to amazing abilities and fascinating adaptations. Each one of these creatures has evolved a unique way to harness power and defy gravity for survival, reproduction, or simply to navigate their world. The science behind these jumps is truly mind-boggling. Whether it's the elastic energy stored in tendons, the rapid contraction of specialized muscles, or the incredible coordination of their nervous systems, every jump is a testament to millions of years of evolution. It reminds us that there's always something new to discover and appreciate in the natural world, even in the smallest creatures.
Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey of leaps and bounds. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Animal Facts for more amazing animal facts, and let me know in the comments below which animal's jump impressed you the most. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, the world is full of wonders if you just take a moment to look.